3 of the camouflage wrap. Today we're gonna do the trunk and the rear panels. Let's do it. Alright guys, so now this is part 3 of the camouflage wrap, and now we're gonna do the rear panel, this part. We're gonna do this part, both sides, and the trunk. Okay, I'm gonna remove the tail lights and I'm gonna remove the spoiler, the real spoiler. Yeah, I think that's it, because it's gonna take me time. Okay, all right, so let's continue with the process of this camouflage wrap. Alright, to remove the camera, it only has 2 screws right there, you can see it. If you remove those screws, 2 screws, you can remove the camera. Alright, and it had a connection but already disconnected, it's right there, and that's it, remove it. I'm gonna remove it. This one has a double-sided tape on the back, so you need to use like a plastic squeegee or something to tuck it on the bottom and then remove it. That's it. Alright, to remove the spoiler, it has 1 bolt there, you can see it, and 2 lug nuts over here, 1 and 2, and another bolt right there. All right. All right. The taillights, camera, and trunk spoiler is already removed. Let's see, you can see it here. Okay, so now I have to clean it so I can start wrapping. Alright, I'm ready to do this rear panel. I already added tape here, this one. I'm gonna cut it, then tuck it inside, and then put another piece here. Knifeless tape all over the edge, right there, all over there. Let me show you. Goes there, knifeless tape there, and ends up here. Okay, you can see it there. Alright, and tape here so it won't stick here and easier to tuck it inside, and that's it. Oh, I have knifeless tape here too, over there, so the seam is gonna be very small, hard to see. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, now it's finished with the door panels and the trunk. You can see it here. I still need to clean the fingerprints but it's gonna look cool. You can see it there. There's the trunk and the door panels. Looks super cool. Looks amazing with the matte black. You can see it there, the front. Now everything is starting to take form. Want to see the edges? There. Alright guys, this was part 3 for the camouflage wrap, okay? So let me know what you guys think, put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you are new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.